if I'm a juror, and again, it's impossible to read these jurors, but if I'm a juror and I've heard, and I've been warned that Michael Cohen lies, the prosecutors have said this, they've set it up, I'm prepared for that. I'm prepared for he's lied in the past repeatedly. I don't know if a juror is prepared for he lied to this jury 2 days ago, but now he's really telling the truth. I mean,
Test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
And then we understand he was taken to the hospital in this town, and you're seeing images of the hospital there. And we've now been hearing, and this is being reported by Reuters, quoting the hospital spokesperson at the hospital the Prime Minister was initially taken to, and they say